Why am I holding this toy aeroplane, you might be wondering? Why am I saying that I'm in launch mode? Well, there's a reason for it. I've just delivered a live webinar to loads of people on Zoom telling them how to grow their business on YouTube and how you can grow on YouTube in today's world. And there were loads of people on the Zoom live. They brought loads of high energy. There was over 150 people that signed up for the webinar. So loads more are going to watch it on the replay and watch it later on. And the energy was just so good. And I come away from it, even though it's late at night here in the UK, I come away from it feeling really good. And everyone said they got such good value from it. And it was a free webinar. It didn't cost them a penny. The only thing it cost me was an hour and a half of my time. And I really enjoyed it. And during the webinar, I announced something really, really special that I've been working on for the last few months. And that's why I'm holding this toy aeroplane. And that's why I'm saying I'm in launch mode. So what I want to introduce you today is the Creator Kickstarter Accelerator. What is the Creator Kickstarter Accelerator, you might be asking? And why am I launching something? Well, I've been on YouTube for the past 2 years. And in that time, I've uploaded well over 400 videos across 2 channels. I've got over 7,000 followers across all of social media, but I've monetized 2 YouTube channels, one within 4 months. The other one took a little bit longer, but one within 4 months. And I've got hundreds of thousands of views, and I've grown my business to such a point now that I'm just don't have time for business and work as well. So I've now cut my hours right down in work with a view to being able to quit in a couple of months. Probably by the time you're watching this video, I'm already a full-time creator and business owner. But right now, I've literally got it on the horizon. So over that time, it's taken me 2 years to do all that. And in that time, I've become an absolute sponge. And I've absorbed every bit of information I can around filmmaking, around YouTube, around business, around productivity, anything you need to know to become a full-time creator and business owner in today's world. That is what I have learned over the last 2 years. And I want to absorb and just condense all of that 2 years knowledge into one 12-week cohort and give you the ultimate support that you can have to grow your business. So that is why I've created the Creator Kickstarter program. And this is the all-in-one, done with you YouTube and business growth program to help you create, grow, and scale your channel and your business and optimize it for your target audience so you can convert more leads and generate more income. This is for you if you're looking to create and grow a profitable YouTube channel. Learn how to make simple, effective, and amazing videos, build a thriving business, become a full-time creator and business owner, and find and nurture a loyal fan base who want to buy your products. This isn't going to be teaching you how to go viral. This isn't going to be teaching you how to get 100 million views on videos. This is going to teach you how to get the perfect balance between creating good, educational, valuable videos for your audience that's going to draw them in and is going to be able to get you more money. So you don't need to worry about having 100,000 subscribers because you'll be generating $100,000 in income without that. This is a 12-week live cohort with me with 12 months of ongoing support. So you're going to have a 12-week fully intensive and intimate cohort with me, and then there's going to be 12 months of ongoing support. There's a lot of businesses out there that offer live cohorts, but by the end of them, they just say, see you later, good luck, and they hope that you just produce the results by the end of it. I'm going to give you that 12 months of ongoing support after that is finished. So what do you actually get and what's included? Well, you get 2 one-to-one YouTube strategy sessions with me, 2 one-to-one coaching sessions with me. And if you look on my website now, you will see that I have clients that are currently paying me $497 regularly for one-to-one calls with me. You get 2 of them included as part of this accelerator. You get one right at the beginning of the onboarding when you first sign up, and that is to understand you as a person, to connect with you, to understand your journey, to understand what your mission is, what you want to achieve, what your goals are, and so I can give you a custom roadmap to succeed with that and to achieve that before we even start with a cohort. And then the second one will be right at the end once we've finished, so I can completely customize and tailor make your new route to success at the end. Then you get 12 weeks of live training and 12 weeks of interactive live workshops with me as well. So this is going to be everything that you need to know to create, grow and scale a profitable business and a YouTube channel so that you can position yourself as a key person of influence within your niche, which is going to 10x your exposure to your target audience and therefore generate more leads and get more clients. Everything I know about business, about productivity, sales, marketing, filmmaking, growing a YouTube channel, thumbnails, titles, pretty much anything that you need to know to grow an online business today, I'm going to teach you it every step week by week. You're also going to get a pop-up community for this cohort, which is going to be everyone that's signed up for it. You're not only going to be able to speak to each other on the workshops and during the live training, but you're also going to get a cohort for this, a community for this, where you can share your thumbnails, where you can share your titles, where you can do feedback for each other, you can share your wins, where you can post any questions you want, anything you want at all, really, and I will give you feedback. I'll be in there every single day, and the community will give you feedback as well. And this is a community of like-minded, passionate, successful business people and entrepreneurs and creators. You're also going to get a YouTube channel audit where I go through your YouTube channel at the end of the course, once you've followed all of my steps, done all of my training, and I'm going to review your channel and then send you a recording of all of my feedback for it for you to change and for you to optimize to get the most success out of it. You're also going to get complete social media optimization. I'm going to tell you and train you exactly how to optimize all of your social media and give you content planning training and a checklist so that you can know exactly how to schedule all of your content across all of social media, not just YouTube, and you can check it off exactly how you go along. And it's not going to be overwhelming. It's going to take you like 30 minutes a week. And then once you're done, once you finish this live cohort, once you've followed all of my training, been in all of the workshops, had your one-to-one sessions with me, had your YouTube channel audit, know exactly how to optimize your social media and plan your content. Once this finishes, it doesn't end there. You're then going to get access to my membership for 12 months. 12 months access to my membership where you can have ongoing support from me and the community every single day. And this is what is included in the membership. You get 2 weekly hot seat group coaching sessions with me, a quarterly channel audit, like-minded community, like I said earlier, where you get the community of passionate, driven entrepreneurs and business owners and creators that want to succeed. You'll have the on-demand version of the course. Once you've finished it, the live trainings will then be uploaded to the membership for you to be able to view whenever you want. And you'll also have access to all of my trainings and workshops. If you look on my YouTube channel and my website now, you will see that my workshops range in prices and my trainings range in prices. You can buy them individually. You'll have access to every single one of them as part of this. And you can see here that all of this is worth over £6,000 in value, which equates to about $8,000. Now, this is called the Creator Kickstarter program, right? It's not for people that can afford £6,000 up front. I'm aware that that's a big investment, but that would still be worth it for a live cohort with me for 12 weeks plus 12 months of ongoing support. There are people that charge more than that for a lot less than that. What about if I charged you half of that? And this was $2,997, under £3,000 for all of this. Now you can work out what that is in dollars. It's a bit more, but it's still very good value. Do you think that would be worth it for all of that? Let me know in the comments below. Do you think that all of that would be worth it for under £3,000, which is just, I think, probably about $3,500? But because it's the Creator Kickstarter program, that's not what I'm going to charge. What about this? The launch price of $977 or 3 payments of $357. Now, this is absolutely crazy because this is a product that I know is worth at least £3,000, but I am charging $977 for it. $977. That is less than £1,000 for 2 one-to-one calls with me, 12 weeks of live training, 12 weeks of live workshops, the community, the social media optimization, plus once you've finished, you get 12 months of ongoing support. Now, I really wanted to charge more than this, but I was convinced, let's say, by my wife to go with the launch price, to go with the beta price for you, because you have been my community and you have been my YouTube audience that have got me this far. So I want to give back and only charge you the bare minimum that I can charge for this. Now, there are limited spaces because there was over 150 people that signed up for the webinar. There was 30 plus people on the wait list for the accelerator before it even launched, and I'm only accepting around 30 people. So once the spaces are gone, they are gone. So if you want to grab one, you better grab one quick. And if you want to make some money back and you think that's still a bit much money for you, then I've introduced a referral scheme. If you refer anybody and you want to do this with one of your friends or another creator or business owner you think could benefit from it, if they sign up for it from your referral after they've given me your name, I will deposit £100 cash into your account and they will get £100 off their course. So they will get the course for $877 and you will get £100 cash in your bank. Now, the doors for this close in 2 weeks' time from the time I'm making this video on Monday the 15th of July. That's if the spaces have not all gone by then. There was already people that have signed up for this. There's already people that signed up on the webinar there and then and paid for it outright there and then on the webinar. And that was a couple of hours ago at the time of making this video. So spaces are going quickly and there's not that many of them left. So if you want it, I suggest you get it. The live online launch and welcome event will be held on Sunday the 21st of July and we will start officially on Monday the 22nd of July. We will go all the way until the 22nd of October, which is a Saturday. We will have a live online graduation event. So Monday, the 22nd of July is where we'll start with a live training. We will then have the first live training where I'll then give you actionable steps. And then later on in the week, we'll have the workshop where you then present to me your work and I'll give you feedback and I'll give everybody feedback so you can all learn from each other. So that is the entire Creator Kickstarter Accelerator. 2 one-to-one YouTube strategy sessions with me, one at the beginning or one at the end. 12 weeks of live training, 12 weeks of live interactive workshops, a community, a live YouTube channel audit, social media optimization, and complete content planning training, and a checklist so you can do it so it can be made nice and easy. And this is going to be a complete done with you, walk you through the entire process of growing and scaling an online business through YouTube where you don't need that many views in order to generate lots of income and generate lots of leads. And then once it's finished, you then will go straight into the membership where you get all of those benefits outlined below. So this is the Creator Kickstarter Accelerator. I've been working on it for a long time and I'm super excited to announce it. Like I said, spaces are going quickly. I did the webinar and people signed up right there and then, paid for it right there and then, and the spaces are filling up. So if you want one, I'll drop a link down below. You can join me in 2 weeks' time at the time of making this video. Let me know if you're excited for it. Let me know. If you've got any questions, drop them in the comments. If you've got anything you want to know at all about it, about growing on YouTube, let me know in the comments and I'm happy to answer it. But this is something that's very close to my heart and I've been excited about it for a while. So let's get my airplane. Let's go to launch mode.